Take a look at our latches. Latch covers, rather, for the Harley hardbacks. Here's one installed. Looks awesome. America. Alright, so this is an unpainted latch cover. This is hardened ABS plastic. The walls are extra thick. It's a real strong latch, not flimsy. Matte black. Vivid black. Chromed. And this is the Harley original clunky old metal one. Ha ha ha. Why do you need metal? You don't need metal. This chrome looks just as good as metal. Just less heavy. If you want something heavy and pay twice as much, call the dealer and buy this replacement.